everyone and welcome. This is a video about how I achieved these nails. So I prepped the nails off camera. These were originally a long coffin. I cut them short with the nail clippers and I filed the sides and also buffed the surface of the nails so that the nail polish would adhere better to it. So here I'm just covering the nails with a thin layer of base coat. For the next step, I'm just applying a thin layer of the base color to all the nails. I make sure it's very thin because if not, then it will look bulky in the end and you won't have uneven application. So just a very thin layer, and then I cure it in the lamp. Applying a second coat or second layer now, which will make the nail a bit more opaque after I have cured the first layer in the lamp. So I'm going to do this for all the nails. Here I decided to use a rubber top coat because I thought it would give the nail a little bit of thickness, but somewhere along the line I decided it wasn't so necessary, so I only used it for the set that you see here. After I have cured the second layer, I start with the design itself. I just drew on random shapes, not your conventional shapes, but just any shape. I think this is a pretty common or popular design, sort of like a minimalistic theme. So just drew on these random shapes. And I used light colors, light yellow, light orange, and light pink to get this design. Here you can see I'm applying the matte top coat on top of the drawings of the shapes that I made. Usually when I go looking for inspiration on Instagram or on Pinterest, I hardly ever do the same design as I see. So yes, this is, from something that I've already seen, but it's not exactly the same thing. I try to do something a little bit different from what I originally see. So after I have drawn on the shapes, I covered it with matte coat. I cured it in the lamp, and now I am doing some designs with black gel polish. So for the first set that I did, I drew on the shapes, drew on the lines with the black paint before I went over with the matte top coat, and I realized that it left a dirty residue. So for this set, the second half of it, I decided to do it this way: draw, cover with matte, then draw on top of it with black. Then I cured the drawings with the black polish before I went over it with a second matte top coat, and that looked much better. I really liked how it looked when I drew on with the glossy black paint on the nail with the matte surface. I think it looked really good. So somewhere along the line you see that I tried to compare which one looks better, but this is what I ended up with. I fixed them onto a piece of cardboard, and yeah, this is the finished design. So let me know in the comments if you liked it, if you would try it, if you would wear it. You can also leave your suggestions and any other comments below. Please make sure to like and also subscribe if you like these videos and you would like to see more. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.